Yep, see, raining. Rain, 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 go away. I like to go out there and play today. So, guess not. We'll be fixing the Big Rock. Welcome back, everyone. I was going to take the USA 1 out for a rip today, but we got some heavy rain in, and I'm not going to take her out right now. Hopefully it doesn't rain tomorrow. I'll take her out and give her a couple more rips just to get used to her again. So besides me doing that, I'm going to repair the Big Rock. I still haven't repaired it. It's been sitting on here for about 2 weeks now. Parts came in, break it open, and we'll see what we got. All right, so let me put you guys on pause and let's get started. Alrighty. CNC gear, front and rear, tranny module set 2. These are still CNC gears. Again, Horizon Hobby. I'm sorry. I try to support my local hobby store, but when you go in there and they tell you they don't have it and they can order it for you, I'm always just go ahead, and when they say that, I'm always just go ahead and order it from Horizon Hobby myself. So that's what I did. All right, CNC steel, front and rear, transmission module set. Part number there. If you're looking to do this, so issue I had, it was not the slipper clutch last time when I ran this. It was actually the gear here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 teeth that are bent more than it's supposed to be. You guys can't tell, and the rest of them starting to bend in that direction. So I just had to go ahead and buy the CNC, replace these. So that's what I'm doing today. Put this off to the side. Break open the new package. These are the 4S modules, not the new one that came out with the Creighton and the Outcasts. But yeah. And somebody was asking, is it supposed to make this sound? Yes, you got metal gears top and bottom. All right. So what I'm going to do before I actually stick this in there and gear them up, check the diff oil. Make sure there's enough in there. Hopefully I don't have to put a shim on that. Now the next one that I might have to do will be the, ooh, very little oil in there. I'll show you. Yeah, not that much. Let me go ahead and put some in there. Wiggle this apart. Very little oil in there, man. Alright, so let's see. Let's put 20,000. Let's stick with 10,000 in the rear, 20,000 in front. And since I've got that one broken up now, let's put that in the rear. Alright. Surprised I didn't put more in here. Yep. Half full. Planetary gears. There we go. Alright, yeah, put too much oil in there. You got to be careful with that. You put too much in there, you get a lot of resistance and you can't get the screws and you can't get the gear plate set in there correctly. So yeah, I had to take some of it out. Get it down there far enough so I can tighten it by hand. Don't want to use a electric screwdriver, whether it be the DeWalt or impact wrench. Tighten it too much, strip it out. Go too fast, heat it up, and it won't. And you can't get it to see correctly, so just enough. One. Let me start tightening in 3, 9, 12, and 6, and do it all over again. 3, 9, 12, and 6. Alright. Any excess oil seepage, I'll just wipe it off real quick. So my guess is it had enough oil in there for it. Put this back together. All right, I'm using the STP premium grease, high temp. So let me clean out the rear real quick. Maybe this will work a lot better. So in there, the lube for the grease. I want to make sure all the gears are got some on it. So there's not one area that doesn't have any grease on it. Like that's good enough. All right, everything's in there. She's all ready. Pretty sure I'm going to have to break in those gears. A little sticky, but I think I can break them in. All right, so that is it for the Big Rock, people. That is it. Nothing else to say about it. Just game was raining today. Was going to take out again USA 1 for a good rip. See how she does over the little hill that I have out there, but instead it was raining, so thought I'd come out here and fix up the Big Rock. So yep, she's fixed up now. So she got CNC metal gears in her. Hopefully everything works out fine. If not, guess I'll be replacing gears again. I don't want to do that, but you know how that goes. All right, everyone. So if you like the content, if you like what I'm doing, hit the like button, leave comments, hit the notification bell if you want to see more, and subscribe. Again, me, Miss Big Rock, we're going to say we're out of here. And we're out.